Hello students, today I will discuss about general principles and processes of isolation of elements, chapter 6. The main points are minerals and ores, flux and gangue, occurrence of metals, and metallurgy. Under metallurgy, concentration of ores, extraction of crude metals, and refining of crude metals to pure metals. Now, minerals, the naturally occurring chemical substances in the earth crust which are obtained by mining, and ores, the mineral from which the metal is conveniently and economically extracted. Now, flux and gangue. Gangue, the earthy materials associated with the ores. Now, occurrence of metals. The main metals we will study: aluminium, iron, copper, zinc. Ores of aluminium: bauxite, kaolinite; iron, hematite, magnetite, siderite, iron pyrites; copper, copper pyrites; malachite, copper glans, cuprite; zinc, zinc blende, calamine, zincite. Formula is given alongside. Now, what is metallurgy? The scientific and technological process used for isolation of metals from its ore. So, to extract metal, the first step is to concentrate the ores. The process of removal of unwanted earthy or siliceous impurities from the ore is called concentration of ore. The processes are hydraulic washing, magnetic separation, froth flotation, and leaching. Froth flotation is the main point. This method is based on preferential weighting of ore particles by oil and gangue particles with water. Here, three main points are discussed: collectors, froth stabilizer, and depressant. Substances like pine oil, fatty acids, xanthate are called collectors, which give water repellent properties to the surface of ore particles to be floated. Froth stabilizer: substances like cresol and aniline which stabilize the froth. Depressant: these are the substances which selectively prevent certain type of particles from forming the froth of the bubbles. For example, NaCN is added as a depressant for the separation of an ore containing zinc sulfide and lead sulfide. NaCN acts as depressant for ZnS but not for PbS. NaCN forms a layer of zinc complex Na2ZnCN4 on the surface of zinc sulfide, thereby preventing it from forming froth. Leaching: the chemical separation process of ore is called leaching. Leaching of aluminium from bauxite. Bauxite is treated with sodium hydroxide solution to make it a complex. Thereby, this complex will be heated to produce alumina. This process removes the impurities from impure bauxite. Now, extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore. Conversion of ore into metal oxide and reduction of the oxide to metal. This is the main process of extraction of crude metal. Conversion of ore into crude metal oxide: one is calcination, other one is roasting. Calcination: oxidation of metal in absence of air, and roasting: oxidation of metal in presence of air. Now, reduction of oxide to metal. The role of reducing agent is to provide del G negative and large enough to make the sum of del G of oxidation reducing agent and reducing metal oxide negative. The free energy change del G is related with other thermodynamic quantities by the expression del G equal to del H minus T del S. As heating increase in temperature favors the negative value of del G, therefore the temperature is chosen such that the del G in the two combined redox processes is negative. Some of the common methods used for the reduction are given below. 1. Auto reduction, copper sulfide plus oxygen Cu2 plus SO2. Other reactions are given. Smelting. In this process, metal oxide is reduced by metal with carbon or carbon monoxide. For example, Fe2O3 plus CO gives FeO plus CO2. Fe3O4 plus CO gives 3Fe plus CO2. FeO plus CO gives Fe plus CO2. Other examples are given. Aluminothermic process. When reduction is done by aluminium, the process is called aluminothermic process. For example, Cr2O3 plus 2Al gives Al2O3 plus 2Cr. Reduction by hydrogen, WO3 plus 3H2 gives W plus water. Hydrometallurgy. The process of extraction of metal by dissolving the ore in a suitable reagent followed by precipitation or displacement of the metal by more electropositive metal is known as hydrometallurgy. For example, silver, NaCN, water plus oxygen gives complex salt of silver. This complex salt is treated by zinc to produce silver metal. Last one, electrometallurgical process. The process of extraction of metal by electrolysis of their fused salt is known as electrometallurgy. Here del G naught equal to minus NF E naught is the principal equation. Cu2 positive plus Fe gives Cu plus Fe2 positive. In electrolysis, metal ions are discharged at negative electrode and deposited there. Sometimes a flux is added for making the molten mass more conductive. Flux. A flux is a substance which, when mixed with calcined or roasted ore, chemically combined with impurities present to form an easily fusible material called slag. So flux plus impurity gives slag. Acidic flux such as SiO2. Calcium oxide plus SiO2 gives CaSiO3. Basic flux.